Are you tired of hiding your baldness under hats, wigs, or hair products? Do you want to embrace your natural look and feel confident in your skin? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will share some styling tips for the modern shaven head that will make you look sharp, stylish, and hot. Whether you are bald by choice or circumstance, you can rock your baldness with pride and flair. So, let's get started. I hear you loud and clear. Rocking a shaved head can be a bold and confident choice, and with the right approach, it can be incredibly stylish. Here are some tips to help you own your bald look. Embrace the confidence. This is the most important tip. Owning your baldness with confidence is key to pulling off the look. Stand tall, project positivity, and let your self-assuredness shine through. Grooming is key. While you don't have hair to style, you still need to care for your scalp. Invest in a good moisturizer or oil to keep it hydrated and healthy. Regularly exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and prevent irritation. Don't forget sunscreen, especially on sunny days. Accessorize strategically. Hats, headbands, and scarves are your friends. They add personality, color, and texture to your look. Experiment with different styles and materials to find what suits you best. Consider bandanas, beanies, or fedoras for a laid-back vibe, or bolder options like turbans or head wraps for a statement piece. Facial hair can be your wingman. A well-groomed beard or mustache can complement your bald head and draw attention to your face. Choose a style that suits your face shape and personal preference. Stubble, a full beard, or a goatee can add definition and character. Keep your wardrobe sharp. Since your head is a focal point, ensure your clothes are well-fitting and stylish. Opt for clean lines and flattering silhouettes. Tailoring can make a big difference, especially if you have a defined jawline. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors and patterns, as they can balance the simplicity of your shaved head. Find inspiration. Countless celebrities and everyday people are rocking the shaved head with style. Check out online galleries, magazines, or even social media for inspiration. Seeing different styles can help you find what resonates with you. The first tip is to take care of your scalp. Your scalp is the canvas for your bald look, so you want to ensure it is clean, smooth, and healthy. You should wash your scalp regularly with a gentle shampoo and moisturize it with a lotion or oil that suits your skin type. You should also exfoliate your scalp once or twice weekly to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. You can use a scrub, a brush, or a loofah. Exfoliating your scalp will also improve blood circulation and give your scalp a nice glow. You will need some brown sugar, honey, olive oil, and lemon juice to demonstrate how to exfoliate your scalp. Mix them in a bowl until you get a thick paste. Then, apply the paste to your scalp and massage it gently with your fingertips. You can also use a circular motion to stimulate your scalp. Leave the paste for 10 minutes, then rinse it with warm water. You will feel your scalp refreshed and smooth. The second tip is to choose the right shaving method. There are different ways to shave your head, such as using a razor, an electric shaver, or a clipper. Each method has pros and cons, so you should experiment and find the best. Some factors to consider are the closeness of the shave, the speed and convenience, the cost and maintenance, and the risk of cuts and irritation. You should also shave your head regularly to maintain a consistent look and avoid stubble. For this video, I will show you how to shave your head with a razor, as it gives the closest and smoothest shave possible. You will need a sharp razor, shaving cream, aftershave, and a towel. First, wet your head with warm water to soften your hair and open your pores. Then, apply some shaving cream to your head and spread it evenly. Next, use the razor to shave your head toward your hair growth. Be careful not to press too hard or over the same area too many times, as this can cause nicks and burns. Rinse your razor frequently to remove any hair and cream. Finally, rinse your head with cold water to close your pores and apply some aftershave to soothe your skin and prevent infection. Dry your head with a towel and admire your smooth and shiny baldness. The third tip is to accessorize your bald look. Accessories can add some personality and flair to your bald style and complement your facial features and skin tone. Some accessories are glasses, sunglasses, hats, caps, scarves, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. You can mix and match different accessories depending on the occasion, the season, and the mood. However, you should avoid overdoing it and stick to one or two accessories at a time. You should also choose accessories that fit well and are comfortable to wear. To illustrate how to accessorize your bald look, I will try on some different accessories and show you how they look on me. First, I will put on these glasses with a round frame and a black color. These glasses suit my face shape and contrast with my skin tone. They also make me look smart and sophisticated. Next, I will wear these sunglasses with a square frame and a brown color. These sunglasses match my skin tone and protect my eyes from the sun. They also make me look cool and mysterious. Then, I will wear this hat with a fedora style and a gray color. This hat covers my head and keeps me warm. It also makes me look classy and stylish. Finally, I will wear this scarf with a plaid pattern and a red color. This scarf wraps around my neck and adds some color to my outfit. It also makes me look cozy and fashionable. As you can see, these accessories enhance my bald look and make me look more attractive and confident. You can also experiment with different accessories and find what suits you best. The fourth tip is to dress to impress. Your clothing can also enhance your bald look and make you stand out from the crowd. You should choose clothing that fits your body, type, style, and color palette. You should also pay attention to the neckline, the collar, and the pattern of your clothing, as they can affect how your bald head looks. For example, a V-neck or a scoop neck can elongate your neck and balance your head, while a round or turtleneck can make your head look bigger. A collar can also frame your face and draw attention to your jawline, while a pattern can add some contrast and interest to your outfit. To show you how to dress to impress, I'm going to change into some different outfits and show you how they look on me. First, I will wear this shirt with a V-neck and a blue color. This shirt flatters the neck and complements the skin tone. It also makes look casual and relaxed. Next, I will wear this sweater with a round neck and a green color. This sweater covers my head and matches my eyes. It also makes me look cozy and comfortable. Then, I will wear this jacket with a collar and a black color. This jacket frames my face and contrasts with my skin tone. It also makes me look sharp and professional. Finally, I will wear this suit with a pattern and a gray color. This suit adds some texture and elegance to my outfit. It also makes me look classy and sophisticated. As you can see, these outfits enhance my bald look and make me look more appealing and confident. You can also experiment with different outfits and find what suits you best. The fifth and final tip is to be confident and have fun. Confidence is the key to rocking any look, especially a bald one. You should be proud of your baldness and own it. You should also have fun with your bald style and experiment with different looks. You can watch videos, read blogs, or follow influencers for inspiration and tips. You can also ask your friends, family, or a stylist for feedback and advice. Remember, bald is beautiful and you are beautiful. To prove to you how confident and fun I am with my bald look, I will do something crazy and daring. I'm going to dye my scalp with a bright and bold color. Yes, you heard me right. I will color my scalp and make it stand out even more. I will use this temporary hair dye that washes off easily and is safe for the skin. I'm going to choose this pink color that is vibrant and cheerful. I will apply the dye to my scalp and let it dry for a few minutes. Then, I'm going to rinse it off and reveal my new and exciting bald look. Are you ready to see the result? Here it is. Wow, look at that. My scalp is pink and shiny. I look like a rock star. I love it. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you think I'm crazy? Well, I don't care. I'm having fun and expressing myself. I'm confident and happy with my bald look. And you can be too. These are some styling tips for the modern shaven head that I hope you found helpful and useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.